In a world where love and fulfillment are often sought after, the teachings of Stoicism offer valuable insights into leading a contented and meaningful life. This video aims to delve into the core principles of Stoicism and how they can guide us towards not pleading for love but rather embracing a natural state of being. By understanding and practicing these principles, we can cultivate self-love, seek inner peace, embrace impermanence, practice gratitude, focus on personal growth, accept what we can't control, develop emotional resilience, find joy in solitude, practice detachment, and foster meaningful connections. The first principle encourages us to refrain from begging for love, recognizing that doing so undermines the purity and authenticity of love itself. Instead, Stoicism invites us to focus on building a strong foundation of self-worth and inner fulfillment, cultivating self-love, and living in alignment with our values. Secondly, Stoicism teaches us to find contentment in what is natural and essential, practicing gratitude for what we already have, and living in harmony with nature. Thirdly, embracing self-love is emphasized as a necessary foundation for a fulfilling life, involving recognizing our own worth, practicing self-compassion, and letting go of negative self-talk. Seeking inner peace is highlighted as a core principle, encouraging us to focus on our thoughts and emotions, accept things as they are, and let go of attachments and desires that cause turmoil. Embracing impermanence is seen as a profound teaching, reminding us to appreciate the present moment and find freedom from the fear of loss and change. Practicing gratitude is underscored as fundamental, shifting our focus to appreciate what we already have and fostering a sense of interconnectedness with others. Focusing on personal growth is highlighted as a key principle, involving self-reflection, setting meaningful goals, embracing challenges, and cultivating virtues. Accepting what we can't control is stressed as essential, allowing us to find inner peace and cultivate gratitude for the present moment. Developing emotional resilience is deemed crucial, emphasizing the importance of observing and understanding our emotions without being controlled by them, reframing perspectives, and practicing self-discipline. Finding joy in solitude is seen as significant, providing opportunities for self-reflection, personal growth, and connection with oneself and the natural world. Practicing detachment is considered a core principle, freeing ourselves from unnecessary attachments and focusing on what is within our control. Finally, fostering meaningful connections is highlighted as vital, contributing to our sense of belonging, fulfillment, and the well-being of others. By embracing the teachings of Stoicism, we can navigate the complexities of existence with wisdom, strength, and grace, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life.